Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, what you're looking at is the transformer that came with that Marx 999 tin litho set that arrived today. As you can see, it has a built-in breaker. It's got dedicated power for accessories and variable power for the track. Now, it was missing the plug. The cord is good, so I've installed a modern plug on it. Really simple. It only takes a minute to install these things. So anyway, I'm going to plug this in and we're going to test it and see how it works. So plug the cord in, turn the power on, you can hear it buzzing. Now I've got the transformer connected to a magnetic lock-on. As you see, 999 is here with its original cars. So let's take this around and see if it works. Obviously it does. Alright, we'll set it to medium. As you see, more than enough power to run this train. No doubt about that. So that's actually running quite well. So the transformer is up and running. So what I'm going to do next is short it to make sure the circuit breaker works. So we'll turn the power up and I will grab a screwdriver. We'll just short the output. And it does not pop. There it went. Okay. So slow to break, that's for sure. So anyway, it does work. That's probably the first time that breaker's been tripped in 50, 60 years. Hard to say. So it does work, no doubt. So dedicated power for accessories, variable power for the track, original Marx transformer. As you see, thing looks absolutely new. So I've installed that new plug, and these plugs are really inexpensive, and they're really easy to use. It only takes a minute to install them. So the transformer is up and running. Anyway, I just want to do a test to see if it did work. So I figured I'd do a video to document it. As you see, it doesn't look like it's ever been used. It's in really decent condition. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.